So in this quick video, let's unbox and build quality test something different. The recently released the Redmi Writing Pad, very similar to the Mi LCD writing tablet, made of very light polymer, so it should be drop friendly. The first thing you get out is the plastic writing pad stylus, shaped as a pen, weighing less than 5 grams. The pad itself is made entirely out of plastic and just an LCD screen to write on. No tempered glass protection, so there is nothing to scratch about. Only two features on the pad. First, to clean the slate by pressing the orange button, and the second placed at the right to lock what you have drawn on screen. The button cell battery can be changed at the bottom. The trial bend is a clear indicator that the tablet isn't built for physical durability. More on that later. A quick high drop test from different angles. We are expecting the tablet to easily survive since it's the lightest 90 grams tablet to drop test. As we had predicted earlier, the high drop impacts does not damage the plastic body or LCD screen, and no shatter since there is no glass to break. It passes the drop test too easily. Next, in the water test, directly onto the heavy drenching ground and some light submersion. We are not sure what to expect or how the tablet is going to react or in what way it may suffer from liquid damage, since this is the first of its kind to be liquid tested on the channel. At the most, we can expect the tablet to stop functioning because of the lack of any water resistance or IP rated certification the moment liquid makes contact with the internal parts. Obviously, water has made its way into the insides of the Redmi tablet, but at this point of time, it seems to be making no difference whatsoever. With both features still working, the Redmi tablet passes a water test without IP rating. Before the bend test and teardown, let's talk a bit about the scratch test. You need to remember that the Redmi writing tablet is made entirely of plastic and the LCD display has no glass protection on it, making it highly prone to scratch damages. It is advisable to use only the pressure sensitive stylus and not other sharp objects like keys and stuff. The first bend from the LCD side proves that the structural integrity is virtually non-existent, extremely flexible and bendy, already starting to break apart. At this point, the Redmi Pad is already dead, even though the words are still appearing on screen. The third bend finally decimates the pad completely, exposing the insides and the little bit of circuitry at the bottom. Further bending shows us the liquid which had entered during the water test, which had made no difference to the pad's functions and the button cell battery. The stylus is just a piece of plastic shaped as a pen with nothing inside it. Owners need to make sure not to be rough with the tablet since the structural integrity is a disastrous fail, though it was awesome against high drop impacts.